Brackeys, the father of game development tutorials we all know. Uploading tutorials for about 10 years, he had become one of the most influential game developers among the community. However, he hasn't uploaded for 3 years after announcing his goodbye. Surprisingly, now we can find a post talking about its possible return and even with Godot tutorials. Will this be Brackeys' return? Let's find out. As you can see, if we go to its official YouTube channel, we can find this post right here. So this post is a little bit long, so you can obviously read it completely. But well, here I have highlighted for you which I believe are the most important things about this post. So we're gonna read it. I believe that the way to a stronger and more healthy game dev community is through software created by the community for the community. Software that is open source, democratically owned and community founded. Many of you have been asking for us to produce new tutorial series on alternative engines such as Godot. Well, basically, to give you just a little bit of context, this post was posted like 11 days ago when there was a lot of controversy about the Unity fee problematic. And well, here Brackeys tried like to give a point of view about these companies, about the open source that Godot has. But well, he didn't only gave an opinion about the topic, but he also said here, I don't know yet if this is something that we can realize and when, saying that they are maybe considering uploading tutorials about Godot. And well, also here, I can only say that I have started learning Godot. So, in the future, we may be watching some Brackeys tutorials, but about Godot. Of course, it would be quite different from the usual content because they have been, as I said in the introduction, for like 10 years uploading content just about Unity, or well, mainly about Unity. So if they come back and just upload things about Godot or more things of Godot than Unity, well, it would be quite a big step. And we don't know how their community would react. But, however, what we do know about the community is like, well, of course, they are all missing him. Or well, here for example, learning Godot without Brackeys is like wearing shoes without socks. For example, here, Brackeys was why I got into Unity back in the day. If it gives us Godot tutorials, it'll be nostalgic and amazing for the community. Here, for example, another comment, I love Godot tutorials, I switched to it even though I barely started my game, not because of the pricing with Unity, but the ethics. I'd rather support an open source engine. So as you can see, at least the community of Brackeys, like we can say that in a way they like the idea of Brackeys uploading content about Godot. Well, of course, here the comments continue, people saying thank you, people saying we miss you, people saying we want more tutorials, we want you to come back, to return. And well, actually this post right here wasn't only on his community page in his YouTube channel. As you can see, we go here to community, and well, here we can find the post, which, well, as you can see, it has 7,000 likes, quite a lot. Whereas, for example, any other post doesn't reach the 1,000 of likes. Again, this is just a way of demonstrating how this post was actually well welcomed by Brackeys community. Not only was in YouTube this post, it was only, for example, on his Twitter account. As you can see, well, here again it got a bunch of likes, and well, it was exactly the same message with the same image. If we take a closer look to the comments, again we can see here a lot of comments. For example, from GD Quest, you probably know this YouTube channel that is all about Godot and that kind of stuff. And for example, here he says, amazing news, if you ever want to do a collab or if we can help you somehow, please let me know. So this means again the Godot community, of course, is trying to make Brackeys upload some Godot tutorials, because this would of course gain a lot of traction and would make Godot even more popular than it got thanks to the Unity fee issue. Here are some other people, please make that Godot tutorial serious, 100 likes. Well, and again the comments here continue and continue. So, well, this is all the information we have about Brackeys, his opinion and his possible return. What do you think about this? So, after analyzing all the information that we have, will Brackeys come back? There is no certain information, as you can see, but personally I believe that the fact that he took the time to create a post and even there mentioned that uploading Godot tutorials is something they don't know yet if they can realize and when, is a good starting point to their comeback. Anyway, there is no certainty of anything, so let's just keep creating games. If there is some update, I will upload it here in my channel, so make sure to subscribe. Hope this video was helpful, if so consider leaving a like. See you in the next one and bye bye.